pop up. Una know say because of 25% result of Abuja, where constitution tell us that you must score 25% result in 2/3 of the state, and Abuja, which means that Abuja is compulsory. But maybe now we no understand that well because we no be lawyers now. As they come go court now, come interpret am say na lie o, say Abuja nothing special for Abuja, say Abuja is like other state. That is to say 25% result no dey compulsory for Abuja. Now they say okay, now Abuja people now don wake up say okay, so na cheating that they cheat them since. They have been like other states. Now they know they give them governor, they know they give them senators, they know they give them House of Representatives. Say they no gree, they don't even fight case now. Say they must give them governor. Now, because if they are like other states, you go give them governorship, give them senator, give them House of Representatives, plus the allocations where other states they get. Now be the wahala where they now. As you know, say the case still they go on, they are still going to appeal court now. Make I know whether appeal court go still stand firm on the judgment. That means if they stand firm, seal am, say na like that it be. Now be say they go give Abuja governor, senator, and other things where they give other states. And una know say person wey be minister of Abuja presently no be indigene of Abuja, because they fit talk now say make the minister of Abuja automatically become the governor of Abuja, which no go work, because if they do am like that now, that means Abuja go for election, elect their governor, their senators, and every other thing. And not be only that one, because we have 36 states and capitals. Now I won't know where the capital of Abuja go dey. In fact, let me know on the comment section, because now they define capital of Abuja. Say na Aso Rock, Abi Gwagwarada, or Suleja, where you go there in particular? Omo no be small wahala o. Let me know what you think on the comment section. Even Senator Shehu Sani don dey talk o, say na lie o. Say if they talk am like that, na indigenes of Abuja, na them go contest for governorship in Abuja, because you no go go work for Dan Tata, come collect salary for Dangote. You know they work like that. So let me know what you think on the comment section. Like and follow me for more updates, guys, because this magana, hey, you know, finish quick. Oh. Thank you for listening and for watching. I'm gonna see you on the next one. God's will, signing out.